Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a power alkaline protein shake. If you are somebody that goes to the gym like I do and you are very skeptical about the conventional protein powder that they sell in stores, I am too, and I don't use them. So I just came up with a solution for myself, and I hope that other people out there that are working at and on the vegan alkaline diet might find this useful. And if you do, please use it and tell me how it works for you, because it's been working great for me. I'm the kind of person where I work out to maintain or gain muscles. I don't work out to lose weight. And if you are just like me, then this is going to be a great recipe for you. We're going to start now, and please enjoy. All right, Baba, you going to help me?
Uh-huh.
All right, what are we going to do?
We're going to do that.
All right, let me just show them what we have here. First, we have, the ingredient we have are, let me
rice.
Hold on, there's no rice. I have some hemp seed. We got some dates. We got some mixed berries. We have mixed berries. We have walnut milk. We have a cup of, you know what? We have a cup of almond milk. This is what it looks like. This is the homemade almond milk. If you want to see the video of how I made it, I'm going to link it below, and you can check out how we make homemade almond milk that Dr. Sebi approved. And we use coconut water as well. This is all powerful ingredient that's going to give you energy. It's going to replenish the proteins that you went to the gym to work all out. It's going to replenish it. And this is the berries. This is just a mixed berry. So starting, we're gonna start with the Baba. Here's my blender. I hope you guys can see. He's my sous chef. So we have a cup of mixed berry. Yes, open the blender. We have a cup of mixed berry. We're gonna put that in the blender. Good job. Put the plate in the sink.
Put all of the juice.
Thank you. We have a banana. I think this is a banana and a half. Depending on your
inside the sink.
Yes, which is a banana and a half, depending on your caloric intake. I use a banana and a half because I share with my son. So here, can you put that in there? Thank you. He likes to help. And this is the hemp seed. I use three tablespoons of hemp seed, and I use like 4 dates. The dates that we are using today is thank you. It's this one, organic. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I think it's Deglet no dates. I think those are what they are. And I'm gonna pour in. I'm sorry if this video is all over the place. We're gonna pour in a cup of almond milk in there. And where's the blender? Okay, this is the blender. We're gonna put it up on the blender. Wait, let me put it in. Hold on.
Mommy, let the plug is on there and over here.
And then we're gonna just all blend it in together. With the coconut water, I add it as I go. They use at your discretion, because I add it as I go, because my consistency, I like my consistency to be more watery than creamy. So that's why I use the coconut water. And it's really optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I like to use it because of the electrolytes in coconut water. That's why I use it. So we're going to blend everything together. All right, Baba, hold on. Can you? I'm going to turn it on.
And now press that.
And then press this. You're going to taste it. As you can see, it's really good.